It is Monday, February 6th, 2023. It's about, I didn't even check the time. It's probably 8:30 or 9. We have set up a new row for the cows here. And we're going to open up that back pasture. We put some feed out for the cows, the last of the feed that we had. I'm saving it just for a moment like this, where we really needed to entice the cows. And we have an opening here, and hopefully they'll just come running straight here. I'm going to yell, "What?" They might even follow the side by side. I don't know if you can see my wife down there in the distance. You might have to get your microscopes out. It's always funny, I can see so much better in real life than I can on a camera. Like, even if I were to take this picture and blow it up, the camera just can't see the detail that I can, and I don't have great eyesight, you know. I don't know how that works. Is my brain filling in the gaps, or, you know. We need to feed the ducks too. Are they not coming? The grass here, so this is probably the best part of my pasture, and I have my neighbor to thank for that. He keeps his horses pinned a little bit uphill from here, and as you can see, the grass is 4 to 6 inches tall right now in the very good places. And of course there's dead spots where there's not a lot growing, but it's not completely dead. It's just, you know, like a little bit dead. Sometimes the dead grass covers the growing grass. So I think they're coming. Here they come. Yeah, I can see them coming out. Today it's about 60 degrees. It's gonna get, 68, maybe 70. It's a damp day. There's a wind blowing from the south. Look at my dog. Here they come. Well, at least the ducks are following her. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see better. That's the maximum zoom right there. They're coming. They'll come. They'll stick together. Yeah, they're coming, aren't they? I'm going to go walk over there. Grass is a nice color. I really like the color of the grass. I want to cover up the mic here. Hopefully protect it from the wind. Look, here's some really nice grass too. Oof, I don't know if I'm doing very well covering up the mic. The wind is blowing quite strong. Probably 20, 25 miles an hour, maybe 30. We are on the edge of the Great Plains, so we're that edge right before the Ozarks start. So if you go a little bit to the east, you'll get hills and trees, and you'll be in, I think it's called the Piney Woods of Texas. The ground over in the Piney Woods is not good for growing much except trees. Land's a lot cheaper, but it's only good for hunting and stuff like that. So why aren't the cows coming? The wind is not cold, it's warm. It's just a little bit cooler than the ambient temperature here. It's very moist though. So she should just drive. The cows would just follow her. Did she put food on the ground? Is that what she did? Well, at least I can feed the ducks. I was hoping this wouldn't be too long of a video. Hey Jennifer, what's going on? Are you feeding them? Where is she? Oh no, she's putting the wire back together. Oh well. Honk, 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 honk. There's the geese and the ducks. We can fix it later. Hey Jennifer, Jagya, don't worry about that. We need to get the cows moving. They're eating the grass. Come on guys, get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, move, move. Come on, Jagya. Yeah, just leave it alone. Let's get the cows moving. You drive the side by side. Okay. They saw the food or the grass? Okay. Well, I'll get them moving. With my charm. Let's go. Come on. Ho! Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out of here. You go drive the side by side. Come on, get out of here. Ho! Look at this pile of grass. Come on, get out of here. Ho! These cabs got to move. Get out of here. Come on, get out of here. Come on, get out of here. Come on. Just go, Jennifer, just go. Jennifer, go. My goodness. Once we get them moving, they won't stop. Well, that's the dead lamb. Come on, let's go. Let's go, get over there. Go. Go. Go, Jennifer, go. They're gonna follow you. This is how I get my exercise in the morning. Come on. So we moved him into the back 20 on Wednesday. There. Just keep going, just keep going. Go slow. And come on. You know that phrase, it hurts me more than it hurts you? In that case it does, because they have a thick, thick hide. That kind of hurt my palm. Come on, Blackie, get over there. You guys, there's feed over there. There's feed. I'm not too worried about the occasional straggler. They'll come back. Come on, guys, get out of here. Go, go, go. Times like these, I wish I had a working dog. Of course, then all my time would be spent training the dog instead of getting exercise. All right, my calf, you have to get going. Come on. Get over there. Yes, there's good grass here. Come on. Ho! Jennifer, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, get out of here. Yes, yes, it's good grass, yes. That's not for now. That's for later. So you have to zigzag back and forth. You can see my footsteps. I'm retracing my footsteps. Get out of here. Get. Go. Come on. Let me get that little group going. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. You're gonna eat all the grass. Get. Come on, 21. Get going. Over there. Over there, guys. Come on. Come on. Get over there. 12 minutes in. Come on. You're gonna get abandoned. Get over there. I need sticks. They're scared of the sticks for some reason. Am I retracing my steps again? All right. Come on, let's go. Get over there. All right, I'm about ready to call it. Rethink my strategy. Maybe walk these cows in with sticks. There you go. I think that's number 10. Get over there. Come on. Get over there. Hi, 24. Leave those two behind. Come on. They're getting closer. Those two. There's two behind me. Yeah, Jennifer's bringing sticks. Whoa! Look at this grass. Oh my goodness. Get out of here. There you go. Almost there. Whoa! There's 2 cows back there. If we could frighten them a little, they'll join the herd. Come on, 24. All right, get inside there, guys. Come on. Psst. Psst. There we go. The first cows are going in. Psst. 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 There we are. We got all but 2. Yeah. I'll go back and get it. I'll go. You want to go get
You
them?
have to go get water.
Yeah, I didn't get the water yet. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.